In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Google Analytics to block a website that's really annoying on your website and that sends referral traffic and may infect your users with malware. Now, go to the admin panel of your Google Analytics webpage. From there, you should see a View tab. From it, choose Filters. Now, once you go on to Filters, you're gonna see a button that says Add Filter. You're gonna see beside it a filter name and a filter type. Click on the button that says Add Filter. This is the button that allows you to add filters and block traffic coming from or to such websites. Now you have Apply Existing Filter, where you can add websites that you have previously set filters for, and you can also remove them. And what we're going to do now is create a new filter. Now first you're going to need to name your filter. I usually use a system because there are a lot of different websites and host names. So yeah, I put the extension in brackets, for example this one. And there's two types of adding a filter, predefined and custom. As you can see, the custom filter option allows for a more modifiable blocking of a host, domain, IP address, any information that you have. So use it only if you have extensive information on what you need to block. Now, to make it simpler for you, we're gonna review not the custom option, but the predefined option, which will allow you to select the filter type, which is the first thing you need to do. It can be two types, exclude and include. We're gonna select the exclude filter. Now it's time to select the source or the destination if it's included. You have four options here, and we're gonna select the traffic from the ISP domain option because it's from the domain that you see referral traffic coming from. Now you have here the domain. If you know the domain, you should enter the main domain name that is connected with your referral traffic. Of course, there's also an option where you can enter the IP address, which is also a good possibility. This way you block all traffic from the IP address, but it's not always the best option because different IP addresses may distribute different spam. So you have expression. Now this is a very important part. Here the expression is you can block that exact domain, or you can block any URLs that begin with this domain. This is very important, and I recommend you to select it because, for example, if you have referral traffic on any web links linked to this domain, they will allow you to block them as long as they begin with this specific domain. It is very suitable and very comfortable. Now let's go ahead and click on save. Now, as soon as you save this traffic, it's gonna start blocking it. Basically, you have here the traffic, the filter name, and you have the type, which is exclude, and you can also remove it. Now I'm gonna show you a really cool tool on how to exclude all traffic from any related domains completely. This is a really neat website called ckcounter.com/whois. When you type it, and when you type the domain name and click on the whois button, it's gonna show you extensive information about the domain. Here we have two IP addresses that are associated with it. You can also trace the root of the host and see any hosts that are related to it. Here we see 7 hosts that are related to this host. And the most important thing of it all is that you can see the extension of the domain. Let me show you. Now you've got here .com and .net. These are two other domains, and you can also see information about those two domains, so you can block them properly on your website. It's really blocking in Google Analytics. It's really about the information that you have on the host that you want to block. You see that when you open this domain right here, you can see that is the proper one that we need to block because it opens the same web page as the other domains. Okay, so we're gonna add another domain here. As you can see, it helps us completely block all of the domains. Let's see, we found net, so we're gonna add net, exclude filter, traffic from the ISP domain, and then we type the domain. It could be I've typed it wrong here, just then save it. And basically that's it, guys. Thank you for the video, and make sure to like and subscribe if you have any questions or problems with your Google Analytics. You can also leave us a comment, and we'll make sure we'll answer in the comment section as fast as possible with the relevant instructions. Thanks for watching, guys.